I mixed garlic and bay leaves. What happened later in my house? You will do it too. Garlic and bay leaf have since ancient times been used to chase the negative energies that haunt our homes. Negative energy can be rampant and spread everywhere, and we have all been impacted sometime in our lives. It may seem incredible, but it is enough for a person to come closer to us carrying a negative vibration so that it communicates it easily, especially if we are receptive to it. If we let the negative energy grab us and invade our homes, we constantly feel negative vibrations that can manifest themselves, either in the form of conflicts and arguments, or by a feeling of emptiness and anguish that prevents us from advancing either by a heavy environment. Anyway, these energies influence our life one way or another. Today I bring you a homemade recipe to eliminate the bad vibes of your life and your home. You will see how the discussions end and the problems from one moment to another. With just putting this into practice, peace and good fortune will reign in your home and in your entire family. The best thing is that it is very easy to make and with totally natural ingredients. Recipe against bad energies based on this plant known as laurel. Ingredients: 7 cloves of garlic, 7 bay leaves, 1 liter of mineral water, 1 funnel, 1 small bottle with lid or cork. Preparation: fill your bottle with water and place the peeled garlic and bay leaves inside. Cover the bottle very well and leave it in the visible place of your home. You will see how the bottle in a few days absorbs all the bad energy, and you will see little by little a change in the environment and the attitudes of the people. You can even place it in your workplace if you consider it necessary, and you will see how the environment changes in a very short time of having the bottle there without much effort. So you are skeptical, you do not lose anything with this recipe, completely natural. Your home and your family will be greatly benefited. In a short time, the good vibes will attract more and more good things. Fortune is at the door of your house. You should only encourage yourself to try it.
Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.